Hi guys and welcome back to yet another episode. I'm very happy to be back and I'm also happy to have lovely Pinky with me again.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
So today we bring you to see the nice new modern two-story house, which is like quite famous developers. The quality is very nice. The design is impressed. 139 square wall of land, 530 square meter of living space, 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom, big swimming pool and garden.
Yes, and fully furnished house.
Yes.
And actually we are now in Huay Yai. We can call Huay Yai.
Yes, this area is Huay Yai. But this location, you can also easy access to Mapachan.
Yes, and to
Close
Chaknok Lake.
Yeah, Saknok Lake and close to like a highway. It means you can access easy to highway to Bangkok.
Yes, and if you know all the like a big golf courses like a Waterside, Rolling Hills, Plantation, old course, new course, like many golf courses around this area.
Yeah, so around maybe 5 to 7 minutes to the golf court.
Exactly.
And then to Pattaya, probably 15 minutes.
Yes, by car.
Yes, please. please not run.
Yeah, good exercise. Anyway, I think without further ado, we will have a look inside. Follow us. Alright, so here will be your main entrance door. It's kind of like a nice aluminium metal door, so it's good, the main entrance. And then basically here you have the two-car garage.
Right, with the remote control gate.
And actually this gate is pretty new technology, I would say. It's going all around the curve behind the building, so you can open it up all the way and it just makes a curve around the building to close. We have here also some like a more storage space, so it's nice to have in the garage also some like a storage for motorcycle helmets.
Umbrella, whatever.
Exactly.
The house design is modern, and then the exterior they use kind of tile stone, so you have like a quite stone looking of exterior.
Nice texture like on the wall. And then we have here the large swimming pool, and also what is really nice that they have a very large plot of land which you not find in like many housing developments nowadays, right?
Right.
And this swimming pool is
10.5 meter long and 4.5 meter wide.
you have here still plenty of like terrace space, so you can use it for putting like an outdoor dining set, maybe coffee table, some outdoor sofa set. You also have the space for like a barbecue. You can have quite nice barbecue nights here. There are two ways to enter the building. This way, which will lead you to the like a main dining room and living room. And then this one where you will have all your like shoe cabinets and kind of like the formal entrance area.
Yes, we will bring you around to see again how.
But we go the informal way, right? Right into the living room.
Yes, look already open. So when you come in here, you get welcomed by the nice big dining table and then big chandelier zone, so double ceiling.
9-meter high ceiling
Mm-hmm.
for the double volume in here in the living room, which is pretty nice. On the back, you still have plenty of space
Plenty
for
of
like a
space.
garden.
Yes, actually quite big. The land size 139 square wall, so it's around 540 square meter.
And here we have main living room. So this is really nice that they have kind of L-shaped sofa, almost an U shape actually. Coffee table here in the mid. They even have a ceiling fan. So for some person who doesn't like much of an aircon, this is probably a nice feature. Actually, the aircon is also there, so kind of like a ceiling type cassette aircon.
Yeah. Like with this layout, you can open the door from the pool side, and you can also open the small window from another side, which can get easy wind flow. Sometimes you also don't need aircon. You can just have like a fan on.
Similar concept for stone
Color.
TV cabinets, some more storage space, more shelves and storage space. This one is black marble.
Veneer. Yeah.
Veneer, exactly.
Wow.
And then you have the space to put in like your large TV. 65 or 75 inch, I would guess.
1 bedroom, ground floor. So in case if you have parents or you would like keep for the guests, they can stay on the ground floor. So convenient. Also can open the door, go to the terrace, jump to the pool. In the bedroom, come with all fully furnished built-in, like this bed, mattress, built-in wardrobe, TV. And this one is a bathroom shower room inside with the rain shower.
And then here also black marble countertop, a lot of stones, black marble.
Yes, with also dark color, black, gray cabinet of the kitchen. So you have feeling of like a black and white and gray.
It's quite like a lot of
Modern concept,
contrast.
yes.
Yes, exactly.
Fridge, hot pot, everything include. This is for cooking.
Hob and
Hotpot,
hood
yes,
with
oven.
4 burners. Always
Mhm.
important to have in a house 4 burners, right?
Normally, if you know how to cook, you need to put all pan and then cook everything in the same time.
Ah, this is when you're already like an experienced chef from the just coming from the restaurant.
Yes, just make it hot now.
Okay. And here also below we have a lot of more storage space, a lot of more drawers as well. And then basically also what I like, we have here a pop-out socket. So you can use it also to plug in here like your coffee machine or
Exactly.
your air fryer maybe.
Yes. Right. We have also Thai kitchen, which is very important for big cooking. So you have gas cooking with wood, everything, sink, also one more fridge. And yes, you have a lot of space for prepare the food here. There's a door to exit to outside. So you have terrace. This one, you can use this room to be a maid room or a laundry rooms, whatever is like one more extra room and still a lot more space outside.
And then here we are, the main entrance area, the formal entrance. You have a Hefele door lock, key card and fingerprint door lock. So this one going out also to the entrance and the swimming pool. And then what I really love about this area, that basically they have a
Yeah,
seat here to put
that's
on your
nice.
shoes.
And then yes, you have a lot storage for your shoe, also another side. Quite nice design. I mean, they use the space.
Oh, it's too much storage for the shoes.
Yes, and also downstairs.
Also,
Yes.
oh,
Have
if you
100
have too many
shoes.
shoes, then probably this one is good.
Yes.
And actually,
This is
even I just
nice.
saw here, you have here hidden compartment for more shoes. for, for the older ones.
Yeah, actually good idea. But actually here you can also even
I put
store
more.
something. Yeah,
It's
like
actually a bookshelf, it's not for the shoes.
but I mean downstairs. It's gonna be nice to show some of your nice shoe here.
Now we are going to this room, which interests me a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay, actually, it's a bit special because we also have like a solar power and we have also battery. So even if energy runs out, the electric get cut, you can still use it here in this house for the electricity. And you have solar panels on the roof, of course, to cut the electric cost. And here we have guest toilet. No shower, just the toilet and the sink. And I think this is all on the ground floor. And now we guys bring you to the second floor. Follow us.
Nice golden ball. Nice light ball.
Yes, exactly.
Wow.
And actually here we have the perfect spot for a beautiful picture.
Yes.
And another special piece about the hidden door, leading you all the way inside
Oh,
this room, which even have an aircon inside.
it's quite nice, quite cool.
And it's really cold in
So-
here, so if you really need to cool down, I think it's probably the right room.
Yeah, so I think this one is good to have your big safe maybe, and then I don't know if you would like to have Buddha room or would like to have some more office. Ah, they are another office, so maybe this one.
Buddha room or
Buddha room.
like your private
Safe.
bank.
Yeah,
like a-
private bank.
Yes.
Good
Always
size.
good to have more space than to less. I would say over there is the master bedroom, which we'll show you at the end of the video. So I think you should see it really.
Don't
The
miss
master
it.
bedroom is very nice.
Yes.
But first we see this one. Second bedroom, guest bedroom,
Guest bedroom.
kids bedroom. Actually pretty spacious. We have here TV cabinet with TV. Even more space for like a sofa.
Sofa.
Yeah,
And king size bed,
exactly.
a bedside table built in with the headboard, beautiful lamp.
And we even have like a vanity table, a wardrobe not too big, but I would say for kind of like a men's is sufficient. For the ladies, maybe not. But we have here kind of like a nice bathroom. So white and black is our concept. So we have a toilet, rain shower as well, and a nice large mirror with like a black tiles on the back.
So I recommend to put your husband on this room.
Okay, okay, good. I mean, like, I'm quite happy with this room. It's nice.
This one is nice gallery.
Correct, and we
Too.
can see down. And basically, when you welcome your guests, you can like wave.
We are coming down.
Hello, we are coming.
we
We are
just wake
coming.
up.
Already get the welcome drink.
Wait a moment.
Okay, we are going to the office. Actually, also, I would love to have this kind of office. It's really nice, nice space. You have an ergonomic desk. You still have a lot of storage space here.
For your documents and all stuff.
Still have view to this side and view of the like a nice chandelier and the open double volume living room.
On the corridor, small garden. It's like Japanese garden style.
Correct, yes. Zen.
So on the walkway, you can see nice garden.
Yes. And then here we have now this one, the third bedroom. And this one is also pretty nice. I like it. They have a lot of space around here. You see, it's a king size bed. You have plenty of space here. You even can access to your private balcony from here. And the private balcony even have a view over the swimming pool and also to this like a Zen stone garden and Japanese garden, which is really nice. And basically also to this side, you have like a nice view. So this is already a pretty nice bedroom, but it's not the master yet. We have here TV, counter cabinet. This one you can also use as like a vanity table or working desk because they also have an electric plug over here. So this is pretty nice.
On this space, walk-in wardrobe, quite good space, 5-door, 3 from this side. So you can store your clothes here, vanity table here, bathroom with the same concept, gray in the shower rooms and white marble in the toilet zone. Wood door.
All right, and now we bring you to the master bedroom.
You will impress.
Follow us.
This is master grand bedroom. You can see how big of the bedroom.
It's nice. It's important to have a big bedroom, I would say.
Yeah, you can running around.
Yeah, I can do more exercise.
Good. Beautiful bed with built-in.
Yes.
Have a glass. Does it look more sexy? And this one even more sexy. So you have a glass to see through.
The one that we also can make with a remote. Some of the technology we don't understand yet.
We just didn't find the remote, yes. But yes, I guess so.
Exactly. Not only that, we also have here a very nice large balcony. And also good because this balcony also offers a swimming pool view. Same like the other one, but this one is even bigger balcony than the other one. And you have like this view of your swimming pool and the garden. Very nice view.
This side, you have built-in TV cabinet and then big TV. What I'm going to show you is the slide door. I like the slide door. It can save a lot of space. And walk-in closet, of course, very important. Have a lot of clothes, so more hair, and this is for the man, I guess. 2 more hair, which is nice dark colors, gold doors. And this is a bathroom with his and her, bathtubs, smart toilet, and separate shower room. Get quite big space of master bathroom, and then with the beautiful view outside and greenery area as well.
This was the D-Space 2 house. 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom, fully furnished. So what's the price?
25.9 million Thai baht with all fully furnished. And the land size, 139 square watt of the land, or 506, almost 560 square meter. Living space, 530 square meter, 2-story.
Yes. So if you're looking for a house ready to move in,
Yes.
right, with like a nice design, large land, large living room,
nice community.
Nice community around. Quite good location, not far from all the golf courses as we mentioned before. So this house is probably a good choice. We will put the link to the listing in the video description below, as always. And if you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and as always, see you guys on next Sunday. Thank you very much. Bye bye.